Oh, Nikki.
We have here a pizza eating contest. Yay! It's between Nikki and Darl and Melvin and Davidson here at the Canaveras house.
Awesome! Move it up!
Oh,
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the triangle where I can see both eaters.
How about you?
Nope. I'm chilling right now. Oh, pizza! Pizza!
Oh, look, I got the biggest thing. Big dog.
Oh, the gigantic bite, man!
You know how funny from yours? Yours is really coffee. I love this coffee. That's small.
Just wait. I'm just making sure. I'm in IF.
Oh man, he almost choked!
Oh, Davidson.
Oh, there you go! He's going!
Oh, Davidson.
Oh, here we go! Oh!
Yeah, just shove it while you...
Oh! Here we go!
Oh, no one just showed the biggest piece, yeah.
Oh! Oh, damn!
Maybe to it, swallow it.
Oh, she's done.
Oh, Nikki just destroyed. And that was still training now. He has to choose some more.
Hi, yes, I'm making curious for watching it. Follow. Take your time, but eat fast.
Take your time, eat fast. That is the game plan for these two. What about these two? The game plan. Oh, nice one! Originality, I like it. Ooh, she's thick. Alright, we have a little chunky man right here.
A little delay in here.
Do it. Here he goes. Swallow it whole, dude.
Oh! Oh, shoot, I just totally missed that. Shoved it in his mouth. Look at that. Look at that. He's dying. It's coming out. It can't back out.
You have to talk to him.
Don't be funny.
No. You're not eating anything.
Don't be funny.
I'm sorry, sir. Give it in your mouth, sir.
You're not eating anyway. Okay, I want a really saucy one. Give me that saucy one.
Hey.
I love the sauce. That's my No, I got it. Just stick it out there. Give me that one there if you want.
I like having fun and enjoy pizza. Yeah, Davidson, I guess it's so far.
This is what you call animal.
I was on the solo, dude. That was nice. Can you just take it over for him? No, go ahead.
Take over. It's over. It's over. So, man. 4 more pizzas left. How many you guys got? 4 more pizzas. What the heck? How did this happen? Melvin just went solo. I am gonna go for another cheese stick. But he was like, nah, I like eat my pizza first. Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Oh, Melvin cut off!
Oh, here we go. Oh, Nikki just shoved it right in your mouth. Oh, here goes. Here he goes.
How Melvin? I'll get to it.
How much did Davidson eat from your box? Wow!
You got this.
Oh, gigantic bite. Oh! Here we go. He's about to demolish.
Not kidding. Yeah. Yeah, we're out of doo-doo.
Oh man!
That's it, distracted.
Yeah, this is not good. He's a spotted man.
Damn, man. Oh, Trudy cut it. That's what I thought. I like my thing.
That's a cheat.
Dad, I think my cat. I see that cat goes neighbor now. I can see neighbor now.
Davidson just came back in.
Ah. Yeah, I gotta do what I need to do.
What? Let it rip,
We have just got slow down. Everyone is at a point where they're destroyed.
Roar.
Whoa, dude! Everyone hit a wall. Everyone hit a wall.
This is a close call right here.
This is a very close call. Oh! Oh, last piece for down. There you go. There you go. Alright, here we go.
What the heck?
Ew! Ew!
And that's the whole thing!
Ew! Ew!
No.
Ew! Ew! Nasty!
Nikki!
we just got an explosion right here.
I would take the bite, but I didn't know.
And you kind of have sauce like right by your eye.
We got it, just show after.
Not you, I mean, Melvin. You have sauce like right by your eye. Like inside of your eye. No, more inside. You're still there.
Darl.
Oh no, I hit the wall.
I told you, man. And I'm handing it over to my co-host, Melissa.
Yeah, whatever.
Go.
That ball is so good.
Bro, see, I would have eaten the rest. Shove it in his mouth.
He wants to.
If we did separately.
This was the guy that was speaking.
I'm on my own.
We needed, dude, 5 is my max.
Celebratory cheesecake.
made the one, the third one, the second one already was like, no, the third one, I started to see third, and I was like,
The third one, I was like,
slowing down.
it tastes weird. No, I had like this weird feeling in my tummy.
It's so good, but that's